Getting around in a city with a baby is not always easy or convenient. Most infant car seats are heavy before the baby is even strapped in, and they usually need to be assembled and disassembled into stroller frames when getting into and out of cars. Enter the Doona infant car seat and Stroller, the world's first combination product complete with a fully integrated travel system. Doona's safe and practical solution allows on-the-go parents to go from car seat to stroller in seconds. No more setting up and breaking down all while hailing a cab. And no more schlepping around a heavy car seat. Best of all, no more disturbing a sleeping baby to transfer from car to stroller or vice versa. My 1-year-old son, I took the innovative, travel-ready car seat for a spin to see how convenient it really was. Watch on to find out how it tested. Installation, use with or without the base. The Doona infant car seat is the only car seat on the market that converts into a stroller, making it extremely unique. It arrives ready to go in car seat mode, though it comes with a base. One of the advantages of this product is that it can be installed in a vehicle without one. When in a vehicle, the Doona infant car seat should only be installed rear-facing, as should all car seats for children under age 2. According to current standards, the base employs a simple latch system, but you can install the seat with a seatbelt as well. Modes: transition smoothly from car seat to stroller. This product actually transitions between 3 modes. Car seat, self-explanatory, pull along, handlebar positioned directly above the car seat canopy, allowing you to pull the stroller alongside you instead of push in front of you and on the go. Changing between the modes seems complicated at first, but it was actually fairly easy. It involves pressing the rotation buttons on both sides of the handlebar to rotate it into different positions, and pushing the red safety lock button located at the rear of the car seat to release the wheels. Age range: good for the first year or so, but not forever. The Doona infant car seat is compatible with children from birth up to 32 inches or 35 pounds, whichever comes first. My 1-year-old is at the end of the spectrum, at around 31 inches and 20 pounds, so he will be outgrowing this car seat shortly, though he seemed comfortable in the seat. His feet were definitely hanging over the edge. Design: innovative hybrid functionality with washable, technical fabrics. Walking with this stroller, I could feel heads turn. It's sleek, stylish, and sports a low profile. I love that it's compact enough to fit inside small cars and on airplanes. The matte charcoal frame is made of sturdy aluminum, while the seat features a bamboo charcoal fiber textile, which is supposed to be antibacterial, hypoallergenic, and heat and humidity regulating. The fabric is also removable and washable, which is a huge plus, as kids tend to leave messes wherever they go. An extendable, water-repellent canopy offers UPF 50+ sun protection and is also removable and washable. The included head support is made of energy-absorbing materials and is specifically designed for extra side impact protection. It's supposed to be installed at all times, which made for a snug fit for my son, almost a little too snug and constraining for his liking. However, I would imagine this would be comforting for a younger baby. There's also a removable infant insert for babies up to 11 pounds. Safety meets the strictest U.S. standards for car seats and stroller. As a new mother always looking for the safest options for my son, I was reassured to learn that Doona's infant car seat has passed all legally required compliance tests and meets both the U.S. and Europe standards for car seats, strollers, and handheld carrier. It's even TUV and FAA aircraft approved for travel, but you should always call your airline ahead of time to confirm. In addition to a 5-point harness system, the Doona infant car seat is equipped with fail-safe mechanisms, which prevent unintentional folding, hasty extension of the carry mode handle, and rotation of the extended handle and on-the-go mode. When in car seat mode, the handlebar is positioned between the baby and the seat and serves as extra anti-rebound protection. In case of a collision, the handlebar should absorb the impact and prevent the car seat from shifting to the rear of the vehicle. Features: vehicle seat protector but no storage. This car seat comes equipped with a water-repellent, non-slip vehicle seat protector, which is meant to be placed on the seat of your car before installing either the base or the car seat. I was pleasantly surprised by the inclusion of the latter, as in the past, I have always had to purchase one separately. I found it was especially useful with this car seat stroller hybrid since I had to put the wheels directly on the seat after they'd been on the street. Sure enough, the seat protector prevented stains and soiling and caught all of my son's snack crumbs and spills. It also can be easily washed if needed, which every parent can agree is crucial. Price: hard to swallow, but there's a reason. Although the price of the Doona infant car seat, $500 may shock you at first glance, it does warrant a second look. Usually, infant car seats range from around $100 to $200, and strollers range from around $200 to $700. So in the grand scheme of baby gear, this could be a viable option for an infant car seat and stroller combination. Competition: nothing like it on the market. There isn't another car seat like the Doona, so it's difficult to compare. But as noted above, if you were to buy an infant car seat and a stroller separately, you would most likely spend the same amount of money or even more. Most car seats are lighter than the Doona, but the extra weight comes from the integrated stroller wheels, and thanks to those wheels, you don't have to carry the car seat very far. Travel strollers like the GB Pocket Stroller or the Summer Infant 3D Flip Convenience Stroller fold up to a super compact size. But then again, they have no incorporated car seat for when you need to hop into a vehicle. If the Doona fits your needs, it's incredibly useful and will make family outings so much easier. Overview: buy it if you are a traveler or city dweller. The Doona infant car seat and stroller is a game changer for city navigating with ease, allowing a smooth transition between walks and public transportation. I would suggest buying this as your first car seat so that it can double as a stroller. But you will need to purchase something different once your baby hits the weight or height limit, around the 1-year mark. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.